Alright guys, this is how to explore the International Space Station. So I'm going to open a new tab of Google. I'm going to come up here to the waffle, and then I'm going to scroll down to Google Maps. Then I'm going to zoom out. You can either use that with the scroll on your mouse, or you can just keep clicking the minus button. Now, you're going to want to click Satellite View, and you're going to want to, if you've got it and it looks like this, then you're going to want to click over here at Enable Globe View. Okay? Then after that, after you see the whole globe like this, then I'm going to want you to zoom out even more until you see this. And then you've got the space menu over here on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is the International Space Station in low Earth orbit. So then you click on that, and then you can explore the International Space Station. Okay? If you click on things, it will explain it, and then you can just click and drag around, and then move forward, zoom in, zoom out, and do all of those things. Okay, you'll be able to go throughout. And then you see this little viewer here. If you click and double click, you can do all sorts of things. You can move around. So once you're done exploring this section of the station, just like on regular Google Maps, there will be a way for you to see this arrow that pops up, and then you can click to move forward like this. So down here somewhere on what's kind of like the floor, you can move to the next spot and then see and zoom around. And you can also use the arrows on your keyboard to move forward. So I'm currently not clicking, I'm tapping on my arrow. And I'm just clicking the forward button to move up a bit. Okay. Alright. If you want to click, you see a little dot, it will tell you what it is, and then it will explain what it is over here in the corner. So I just clicked on this one. I click here, it will say what it is. Okay. Have fun exploring. You can explore all around the International Space Station. Next week we're going to start discussing the history of space exploration, along with the equipment and what we are going to hopefully see in the future.